Hey guys, welcome to the help screen, and this is how to check in online Turkish Airlines. So guys, this following step that I will show you will be on the mobile. So this guide is for mobile. So first is open up the application and sign in into your account. And then from there you should be able to see a check-in button. So just select check-in, and after that guys, just provide your ticket number and the reservation code. And then from there, guys, you'll be able to save the ticket. And after you save the ticket, guys, just provide the necessary information and tap on complete check-in. And then from there, guys, after that, you'll be able to choose a seat that are available. And then from there, you'll be able to create your boarding pass. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching. See ya.